Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So let's look at add. Add. Like here, add. Add. To combine something with others. Combine. To combine. To combine. So let's say to add. So I need to add water to the kettle or to the jug, to the cup. Yeah, so we have a cup, needs to add water. Water. They want to add more time to their homework. They want more time. More time. See, they combine it together. They want the homework and more time. I need to put cup and water combined together. Yes. I might need to add videos and sounds to my lessons. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. But I often add a photo. I often add a photo to help explain the words. Yeah. So photo, and the words, the lesson. I often add a photo. How cool is that? So I want to add my name to the list. Add me to the list of volunteers. Add me. Yeah, add me. I want to join. To join, yeah. It all adds up to extra time. During a football game, all the spare minutes here and there all add up. Yeah. Things here and there all add up. Things need to be added to the time limit. Yeah. Added. A minute here, a minute there, a minute there. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, so that means that I add, you add, they add, she adds, he adds, yeah, she adds sugar to the drink, he adds oil to the food, yeah, the food, it adds, it adds the fuel. It adds the fuel up. Adds the fuel up automatically. It calculates, adds it all up, the numbers. It all adds up. It all adds up and now makes sense. Yes. It all adds up and now makes sense. Yes. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So then we can say, she added me to the list. Yeah. Don't add me to the list. Don't add me to the list. Ooh, no, don't add me to the list. Yeah. I want to be added to that list instead. I want to be added to that list instead. Is it adding up correctly? Are all the numbers adding up? Is it working together? Is it adding right? Is the machine adding all the numbers together in the right way? Is it working? I'm not sure. Maybe. I'm going to add them to the inventory. I will add this to the menu. Yeah. I need to add that to the deal. I need to add it in the lesson. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So add, to combine something with others. Add, to combine it together. Yes. So, can you use add in a sentence? And can you comment that sentence below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.